Tigre and I are going to go fly our Beast, the Cessna Turbo 206, with a brand new Bose Aviation A30 headset. In fact, nobody will even see it for 2 more months, so we got to keep it hidden. We kind of look around, make sure nobody's watching us as we're using this. So we kind of disguise it sometimes, like put our hands over it. If you haven't seen our video on the unveiling of the A30 headset and some comparison with existing A20, check that out. But come join us. We're going to try this out on our 206, and then we're going to go take it up in the Citation jet and play around with that in the jet environment. But this should be a lot of fun. In our plane, we traditionally fly with the A20s, and we've got that set up for, besides our passengers, the co-pilot. Tigre is going to be my co-captain today on the plane, and then we're going to try this as I'm flying the bird from the left. So now Tigre and I are ready to launch with the 206. So we're going to take the new A30s out. Got them, cool, and a very cool case. Love this case.
And no, he doesn't wear his seatbelt like this always.
No, I'm just doing this for the mic. But I do use a fuzzy. Good point. Connected, the usual place. Took our A20s out. Tigre is going to use A20. This is the module. We don't have the module holder with us. It's in our, I think it's in the other box. Oh, it's headset case. Still in there? There it is. Hold on a second. Very similar to what they have for the Pro flight. So we're going to put this little guy on here.
It's like a
Nice. The control module holder. So that's pretty cool. So on our planes, it's a brand new headset, right? We haven't even taken off the little ties on every part of it. So let's disconnect it, get that all done. So now we've got that. So what we do, we have a little hook here. Just hook it there. That's nice. I like that. That's really handy. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it on right now. So we're going to set it up. Power's on. We've got the green light. We have the ANC on high. We're not going to use the Bluetooth right now because we're going to be doing this. We don't want to be distracted, especially it's a good idea not to be using all the Bluetooth and the alternate music input while you're doing critical functions. So we've got that all set. Okay, cool. Start up the Beast. A little more clear. Props clear. Getting everything warmed up. Everything looks good on the start. We'll try these bad boys.
Montgomery Tower, stationer 13709, holding short 28 right to remain in the pattern.
Stationer 13709, Montgomery Tower, follow Cherokee upwind to make right traffic, runway 28 right, lift takeoff.
That's Cherokee in sight, following them, departing runway 28 right for right traffic, stationer 709. We'll be a little faster than that Cherokee, so we're not going to be in a steaming hurry to get out there to the runway. That clear? So far? Yep, still clear. All right, one more check. Let's turn on all of our lights just for grid. Come in here. All right, got that all set. Power set. RPM set. Okay, making power. Looks good. Bring it up here. 30, now you got power.
Take off, echo, contact ground.
Rotate.
Good night. 31 Zulu, runway 28 right for touch and go.
28 right, touch and go. All right, good. Obstacles clear. Flaps coming up. Take the power a little bit. How's it feeling on your head? Feels very, very comfortable. I think there's a difference. It's going to feel a little different when you put new headphones on, right, with the new cushions, but the mine are pretty new. It's on the A20. Much less clamping force. I'd say 20%, but it feels like more than that. And it still has great noise cancellation. And right now I'm using sunglasses that kind of push it out a little bit on the sides, which is an issue that you can have sometimes. Liberty Tower, this is stationer 13709 just off of La Jolla. Would like to do the bay tour down along Point Loma and then through the bay and then down to Coronado and then back.
13709 Liberty Tower, ident. Big sharp 927, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, big sharp 927.
Stationer 13709, ident observed, clear through the Bombay airspace offshore at below 500 feet southbound. Limit altimeter is 2988, report Ocean Beach clear. 2988, 500 feet, will report Ocean Beach tour, 709, thanks. Very comfortable, really comfortable. 27 lap lane. I can definitely tell the difference in comfort. Not even covering your ear. You got some ear tuckers sticking out. Altimeter 2988.
Yeah, but there you go. But even without that, they're fine.
Right here north of. And San Diego Tower, this station 13709 coming up on Ocean Beach Pier. Station 709, leaving class 4 space 2 miles to the south, contact North Island now 135.1. North Island Tower, this station 13709, just south of the Ocean Beach Pier at about 500 feet. Like to transit your airspace, go down the harbor, and then we'll do a U-turn just south of the Bay Bridge.
Very nice.
709, clear to the Bravo airspace, eastbound via the Bay, at or below 1,000.
What else do you notice about them? Have you played with any ANC now that we've gotten all this?
We're going to try it now. We're going to try different things. So we got the...
rainbow! Look
at that! Beautiful rainbow.
We have to interrupt this program for the rainbow floating over downtown. There's a pot of gold somewhere in there. They say so. All right, back to you.
All right, we're on high ANC now. Noise cancellation. Moderate. Oh, you don't want to use low. Not in the beast. High is very good. Very, very quiet. It definitely feels more comfortable and quieter than the A20s. I said that hasn't changed much, but at least in my personal observation, we got the midway over here on the left. We're going to go down here and cut back around. You'll see it on your side. Rainbow. Really nice. Look at the rainbow.
Want to switch headsets? I'll give my feedback.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, here, you hold this first. You can film me taking this one off.
709, clear to the Bravo airspace, westbound, report your 180.
We'll go 709. Okay, Tigre is now going to try the headsets. I don't know if I want to give these up.
That rainbow is just ridiculous.
They're very close, but the clamping force is less on the 30s. Like, these are really nice. Of course, A20 always been awesome headsets. And the ANC is probably pretty close now that I've come back to these from the A30s. The clamping force is different. I would equate the normal ANC on the A20s equivalent to the high setting on the A30s. I'm going to turn off this noise cancellation. So you have them on there. I have to try here. The clamping force is less. The ANC is probably equivalent. Having flown the A20s for multiple continents, very, very long flights.
The double tap is nice. It's definitely loud when you turn it off.
You can see it, right, when you double tap for that tap control.
Oh, and I did that switch tap control thing.
Oh, you did? Cool. How's that work?
It works out really nicely.
Ready? We'll do that turn.
All right, so I get to use the A30s for the first time. I put them on briefly, and they are quite nice. I'm digging them. And I've double tapped on this side, so right now, that double tap is really loud, and I can hear all the engine noise. And I'm going to double tap. Immediately goes away. It feels really comfortable. Definitely lighter. I appreciate the lightness. And if I want to swap the tap,
Lon, you got to advise them because you're plugged into here.
North Island Tower 13709er is doing our 180 back to the bridge. Wilco 709. I like the thinness of the boom. Bose says to have the mic half an inch away from your lips. That's how close it is right now. If I put it half away from my lips, it doesn't. The sound is better almost touching my lips. So I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it's me. Probably is me. User error.
Maybe the projection.
I don't. Yeah, maybe it's the projection of my voice. They should give a disclaimer for those of us soft talkers that you might need it closer, touching in the lips. So, position is good. You can do it like a cool little upturn. You can do a downturn if you like that style. If you like that curve. Call it the handlebar.
And you notice it has a white dot on that, so you know which side to make sure you're facing your mouth.
I think all captains should have it just mounted like this, so it looks like it's just falling over your face, your mouth. Anywho, quite nice. It's out of the way very quickly. And again, I did the double tap where I swapped it so that this ear is a double tap and all I have to do is bring it over to that side. What did you say? Oh yeah, I like cream with that coffee. Thank you. What'd you say? Oh, your dog puked in the back? Oh, that's wonderful. Good luck cleaning that. So, overall, really nice. Can you play with the ANC? Tell me what setting you're on.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. Now you're on medium?
Wow. What's nothing?
That's off.
Oh, that's horrible.
I know.
Is this what it was like back in the Stone Age?
Back in the Stone Age. Back in the Stone Age. I'm going to swap these over. Okay,
All
get
right.
ready to swap.
No,
so
no,
you're-
I'm just going to swap the whole headset to you.
Okay, all right. Ready?
Alright, we're back with our... Okay, so something to be said, and maybe it's that weird familiarity thing that happens. These feel really like home. A20s feel like home, and I think it's just the factor that I've worn them for so long, so I'm used to them. They feel good still, which is a testament to just how great of a product Bose made. And I'm not just blowing smoke up their bum. I love the A20s. I've tried Lightspeeds, I've tried David Clark's, all their fancy ones, not the latest Lightspeed fancy one. We're going to do a shootout video, so click here to watch that shootout video. We keep coming back to the Bose, even the ProFlight 2s, which are wonderful in a quieter cockpit like a jet. Even in jets, I'll still enjoy these. Maybe it's the hugging feature. I feel maybe I wasn't coddled enough, which isn't true. That to rile my dad. These just feel nice, like they do. The weight factor, and I'd love to do multiple flights, which we're going to do over the 2 months we got before the Sun and Fun release for these. I'm really stoked to go fly for like 3 hours in the 150, try it in the 172s, fly it in the Eclipse, the Cirrus maybe we can find one, the Vision Jet,
We'll fly that.
the Citations, and I really like them. So, rock on.
Yeah, they are very nice. The A20 has been great. I love the lower clamping force on these. Their features that we now have, like that tap control. Did you like that? That was nice.
Yeah, it is really nice because that was only on the Pro flights.
Correct. Works well.
It is nice to have that available now. We'll have to test and see what it's like when someone's not on the intercom to be able to.
And we'll try them now in the CJ. So that'll be next. That'll be our next citation jet. That'll be good. Check and see how those work. In North Island Tower, this is station 13709 coming up to Point Loma southbound.
Stationer 709, descend maintain 500, contact number, good day.
Good day, thank you, 709 for your help. Okay, we'll stay away from all the boats out here.
There's a cool sailing ship down there right now.
Oh, isn't that pretty? It's jet skiing off their, they're jet skiing off their sailboat.
No, they're two jet skiers just having fun out there. Oh, gimbal. You can do this, gimbal. I know the G-forces are really struggling. This is having a hard time right now.
In San Diego Tower, this is station 13709, now northbound along Point Loma.
Station 13709, Lumber Tower, Loma altimeter 2988, cleared in across 12 airspace, out of below 500 feet offshore, report price and Christopher.
Thank you, 2988, at or below 500, we'll report Crystal 709.
Yeah, some rough seas. It's just really cloudy. See how?
I did this at night once, I don't recommend it.
Yeah, they're walking.
Taxiway.
I'm on a taxiway. They think we're landing in the water?
I think so. I thought I saw some blue lights.
And look at that. Look at like where that drain is and stuff, and then
Taxiway.
here.
Oh yeah.
How close they are to the
Oh,
road.
someone was getting married. Oh, someone got married.
Nice.
We need to have nice weather for your marriage. A little cold.
It thinks we're at Lindbergh doing a taxiway landing.
Taxiway. Taxiway. I've never parked and hung out down there. That's cute. Aircraft taking off and flying over us right about now. Oh, there's someone about to roll.
Are they?
Yep, they're rolling. Back there on Lindbergh. I don't know. Well, this is gonna actually capture it. I see tower. There's the thing rolling.
Beautiful.
Southwest 2310, contact propeller port, 7 minutes left.
Departure, Southwest 2310.
Lindbergh Tower, station 13709 coming up Crystal Pier 500.
Station 709, leaving class over the space to the north, frequency change, but
Thank you, 709. Thanks for all your help today.
you bet.